Now, what if I am trying to use the HTTP client instance over here? And instead of returning the observable, we are going to return something with the help of HTTP. Let's say some API. And then we are saving this file. Now all the tests are getting failed. Then it is saying like no provider for HTTP client. So all we have to do is to go to the test bed, and inside the configuration module we have to import so now all the tests are getting passed. So whatever services that we are injecting over here in the constructor should be available as a provider over here. So that's all. Thank you so much.